Next we are discussing Mn theorem. According to this one, we have a triangle A, B, C. One point is that D lies on BC in such a way that BD ratio DC is what? M/N. Now if we join A with D, this angle is what? Theta. This angle is what? Alpha, and this angle is what? Beta. So according to Mn theorem, what will come? M plus N into cot of theta equal to M cot alpha minus N cot beta. N cot beta. And second is what? M plus N cot theta equal to what? N into cot B. N into cot B minus M into cot C. M into cot C. Okay, these two will be there. Now we will do proof. So for proof, what you will do? First we will take triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. AD divided by what? AD divided by sine of B equal to BD divided by sine of alpha. BD divided by sine of alpha. And we know that B plus alpha equal to what? Theta. So we know that theta equal to what? B plus alpha. So instead of B we can put what? Instead of B we can put what? Theta minus alpha also. So this will come what? AD divided by sine of, instead of B we are putting what? Theta minus alpha. Theta minus alpha equal to BD divided by sine of alpha. Okay, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Next is what? If you take triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. In this triangle, AD divided by sine C. AD divided by sine C equal to DC divided by sine beta. DC divided by sine beta. Okay, now we know that angle C will be what? Pi minus theta plus beta. Okay, so what will come here? AD divided by sine of, this one we can add what? C is what? Pi minus theta plus beta. This will come equal to DC divided by sine beta. This will come. This is what equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. Okay. Now to prove first one, what you will do? Equation 2 divided by equation 4. Equation 2 divided by equation 4. So left hand side is what? This one. AD divided by sine of theta minus alpha. And here is what? AD divided by this one. So what will come? AD. And this will go in numerator. So sine of pi minus theta plus beta is nothing but sine of theta plus beta. This will come. And right hand side is what? Right hand side is what? BD divided by sine alpha. BD divided by sine alpha. And here is what? DC divided by sine beta. DC is what? In denominator. And sine of beta will be in numerator. So this will work. AD getting cancelled. So this one, if you expand, what will come? Sine of theta plus beta, as it is we are writing, and denominator is what? Sine of theta minus alpha equal to BD divided by DC. Okay, so this one is what? BD divided by DC is what? M/N. So what will come? M by N sine of beta divided by sine of alpha. This will come. Now we are cross multiplying. So this will come what? N sine alpha. If you expand this one, what will come? Sine theta cos beta plus cos theta sine beta equal to, this one multiply here. So what will come? M sine beta in bracket. If you expand this one, what will come? Sine theta cos alpha minus cos theta sine alpha. This will come. Okay, now this equation we are dividing with sine theta sine alpha sine beta. So what will come? So in left hand side is what? N sine alpha divided by sine alpha is what? 1. So what is remaining? Sine theta sine beta is remaining in bracket. This one is remaining as it is. So what will write? Sine theta cos beta plus cos theta sine beta in bracket. This one divided by this one. So this sin beta is cancelled. What will come? M divided by sin theta sin alpha in bracket sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha. This is remaining. Okay, so what will come? N as it is. This one if you take inside, so what will come? Sin theta cos beta divided by sin theta sin beta. So sin theta getting cancelled. Cos beta divided by sin beta is what? Cot beta plus this one divided by this one. So cos divided by sin is what? Cot theta. Sin beta getting cancelled. Bracket close equal to M as it is. This one we will take inside. So here sin theta getting cancelled. Cos alpha divided by sin alpha is what? Cot alpha minus cos theta divided by sin theta is what? Cot theta, and sin alpha getting cancelled. So we'll get this one only. If you multiply here, what will come? N cot beta plus N cot theta equal to M cot alpha minus M cot theta. So if you take this one this side, what will come? M cot theta plus N cot theta equal to M cot alpha, and N cot beta, if you take this side, what will come? Minus N cot beta. So if you take here cot theta common, what will come? M plus N equal to what? M cot alpha minus N cot beta. This is your proof. Next is to prove this one, what you will do? Equation 1 divided by equation 3. So what will come? AD divided by sin B. AD divided by sin B. We are dividing equation 1 divided by 3. And here what will come? AD divided by sin C. So AD and sin C will be in numerator equal to. Right hand side was what? BD divided by sin alpha. BD divided by sin alpha. And here what is there? DC divided by sin beta. So DC will be in denominator, and sin beta will be in numerator. This will come. Okay, so here AD getting cancelled. What will come? Sin C divided by sin B equal to BD ratio DC is what? M is to N. So this is what? M by N. Sin of beta. Okay, so beta is what? This angle. This angle is what? C. Then from here we can find out beta. Beta is what? Pi minus theta plus C. This will come. So beta value we are putting here. So what will come? Sin of pi minus theta plus C. This will come divided by sin of alpha. Okay, so you can see here theta is what? Beta minus alpha. So alpha will be what? Theta minus B. So here what will come? Sin of theta minus B. Now we are cross multiplying. So what will come? N sin C. If you expand this one, what will come? Sin of theta cos B minus cos theta sin B equal to this one multiply here. So what will come? M sin B, and this is what? This is nothing but sin of theta plus C. And if you are expanding this one, what will come? Sin theta cos C plus cos theta sin C. This will come. Now this equation we are dividing with what? Sin theta sin B sin C. So what will come in this side? Sin C getting cancelled. What is remaining? N divided by sin theta sin B in bracket sin theta cos B minus cos theta sin B equal to M divided by this one. Okay, so sin B getting cancelled. What is come? What will come? M divided by sin theta sin C in bracket sin theta cos C plus cos theta sin C. This will come. Okay, so here what will come? And if you take this one inside, what will come? Sin theta getting cancelled. Cos B divided by sin B is what? Cot B minus cos theta divided by sin theta is what? Cot theta. Sin B getting cancelled. M. This one if you take inside, what will come? Sin theta getting cancelled. Cos C divided by sin C is what? Cot C plus cos theta divided by sin theta is what? Cot theta. Sin C getting cancelled. This will come. So what will come? N cot B minus N cot theta equal to M cot C plus M cot theta. So here what you are doing? This one we are taking this side. So what will come? N cot B minus M cot C, and this one we are taking this side. So what will come? M cos theta plus N cot theta. So if you write this one this side, what will come? M plus N cot theta equal to this one as it is, N cot B minus M cot C. This is your proof.